Hey, good afternoon. This is Chris with the AC Guys. Today we're working on your Manitowoc Sierra Yankee 185 whiskey ice machine. This is a water-cooled ice machine. What that means is that the condenser is actually cooled by this water coil right here, which is actually one of the main problems that we found with this. The water coming to this was very, very low pressure coming out of here. Sorry, of here. And we flushed this out, and we found that not only did we have restrictions in the water coil, but our actuator wasn't operating properly either. So we flushed this water coil out for probably about a good 30 minutes or so. Got some nice clean water running through it, and then we went ahead and changed this water actuator out. So let's move forward a little bit to see what else we did here. These right here are these little pneumatic air compressors, and those assist with the harvest cycle. When the unit goes into harvest and the ice tray is ready to drop, this will actually push air through the back of the ice tray. So we got those handled, squared away. Something else that we had to do when we changed the actuator, you see this tube right here that is actually hooked up to the refrigerant line. So we recovered the refrigerant, and there was a lot of people working on this, so we were unaware of what the charge was, if it was dialed in properly or not. So we went ahead and drop charged it to manufacturer spec, and what that did, that actually allowed us to be able to then dial this actuator in. So this actuator will control your head pressure. So manufacturer spec will tell you kind of like based on ambient temperature in the space, where you want to be at with this. So you can fine tune that in with your gauges and the water pressure valve right here. So we did that, got everything up and running, and got it all looking good, and just made sure that we were dumping ice. So you are good to go. Thanks.